Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable your dark mode on ClickUp. Keep watching the video till the end. To enable your dark mode on ClickUp, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in clickup.com and make a search. Make sure that you're logged into your account and it will take you to the home page of ClickUp. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down options, tap on Themes. Slide the slider of the dark mode to the right side to turn it on. Slide the slider and that is how you will be able to enable dark mode on ClickUp quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.